Good afternoon, traders. It's AJ. Awesome calls. This is open webinar for today. Just want to go over what we did in the great chat room in Awesome Calls. I want to welcome. I think we had 6 signups this morning, and welcome aboard. We also had a 6-month sign up, so thank you for coming aboard. Quite a few people. We had 4 or 5 yesterday, so good 10, 11 came in. And we're just trying to just chug it along and do what we do and trying to make everyone money and, you know, showing step by step. Okay, this morning, the Fed is speaking now, so market's up, market's down. I think in the end, market will sell off. I don't see Nvidia running, Tesla running. I don't see Shop and Facebook. I don't see Amazon pumping. So I'll let him just finish talking, and then we'll get a nice 1 or 2 day sell off, and let him use his language. You know, he'll probably say something, and then boom, he'll hit a word, and all of a sudden, it's typical. So anyway, let me turn him down because I don't really want to hear him talk. I already know he's already pre-speeched. I think I wrote it for him. We had a really good day today. I had there were so many plays today. You know, Mayo, Kodak, AMC Theaters, Nicola, NNOK, NNOX, ARWR, OSTK, FedEx, Adobe, Tesla, Shop, NVIDIA, Inyo, and Snow. First and foremost, I really want to just kind of go over something that I don't think I've recorded this, but a lot of you, you know, don't have. Okay, let me just kind of just explain just quickly, and I won't spend too much time on it. Okay, a lot of you, there's majority of you in here have obviously 25,000 or more. If you have 25,000 or more in a trading account, you can day trade in and out as long as you stay above the 25. It's pretty simple as that. Okay. Typically, what are the platforms out there? Well, we could just go through TD Ameritrade, right? We already know TD Ameritrade. There's one, right? We can go to Interactive Brokers. There's another one, okay? Speed Trade. I mean, we can go on and on. I can list them all. Speed Trader, Lightspeed, all of them, you know? Anything about 25 in the United States, anything you have to have a minimum to day trade. What is a day trade? You can do, I actually saw that you can actually do 4 round trips in a week. But the standard rule that I'm aware of, it's 3 round trips in 1 week. Okay. Overnight trades, all right. Overnight trades do not um, overnight trades do not they're not day trades. Okay. So something to remember, very, very, very important. Overnight trades are not day trades. Okay. So if you take, let's just say you take a OSTK, you take it into close. All right, let's take OSTK for instance. Um, OSTK, you take it last night, you close it, right? You take some long at 74.19. The next morning it's up at 76, and you can sell it. That is not considered a day trade. All right. Sell at the open, it's not considered a day trade. So it means you can do another trade in intraday. A day trade is I'm long here at 73, I sell here 75. That is a day trade. Okay? Simple. You can do 3 of those in 1 week if you have less than $25,000 and you have an account set up at TD, Schwab, IB, and so forth. Okay? So just understand that. That is the rule. You cannot change the rule until they vote it out and say, you know what, screw PDD rules, which one day I'm a bit advocate on that too. You know, guy has an account, give him margin money, let him trade. I mean, what is this 3 days and day trade in and out? I mean, just let the man trade, let the lady trade. Okay, we don't need restrictions on day trading. But unfortunately, in the U.S., that is our rules, and you cannot change it. You cannot fight it. Now, if you take another trade, let's just say you're scalping and you take another trade, 16 and you sell it at 16.60, you make 50 cents, $200. That's another day trade. So now you're up 2 day trades. You got one left, right? If you exceed 3 day trades or 4 day trades, I think it's 3, but if you exceed and you hit the 4th, you might make money, but boom, restriction 90 days. You don't get to trade for 90 days now. You'd actually have to pull your money out and put it in another account and start over again. But that's not a very healthy way of doing it. Okay? Now, everybody wants to day trade. So let's just say now and this is what I find very funny sometimes. Sometimes I get a client who fell below the 25,000 and then says, I can't trade now. What do you mean? I can't trade now. I can't trade now. It sucks. I can't trade now. Okay. You kidding me? So you're 24,600? Yeah, I can't day trade. Okay. Why don't I go get you a trade? You do what I tell you with your margin money still $90,000, $195,000. I'll nail you a trade for you can make $600 to $1,000 and you're back over again. Okay? So it didn't even like flinch you. So don't even worry about that. Or I'll give you a swing idea, like I'll give you FedEx. Why don't you buy FedEx at 234? Earnings come out, sell it at 260. You're a hero. You just made 25 points. Buy 200 shares. You just made $4,000. Now you don't need to worry about it no more. Okay? I will do that for you. I will find you those stocks and those ideas and those trades. Then, now we take, now what's the buying power out there? It all depends. In the U.S., you can get 4-to-1, 5-to-1, 6-to-1. There are some companies that will do 10-to-1. Do I recommend that? No. All right. Unless you're a really seasoned day trader, I mean, really like good, not good, great. Where if they give you 20,000, 25,000, give you 10,000, 10 times buying power, you get $250,000 dollars to play with, right? 10 times 25. Typically, the what you see out there is 4 to 6, 4 to 6. Okay. Now let's just say you have 5 grand and less, 10 grand and less, and you want to build your account. Okay. So typically, a trader with 5 or 10 grand is not a full-time day trader. Okay. He's not. He or she is not a full-time. Right? There's always something. You have a job you go to where you get your health insurance. You got this, and you have that, and day trading becomes more of a supplement income for you. I want to make extra money. You're not really, you're in it, but you kind of don't really, maybe some of you don't believe in yourself yet that you can become that day trader where you could do it full time. So a lot of you carry doubts in your head. Well, I don't know if I can really eventually one day I'd like to be a full-time day trader. We all go through that process. Okay, we all go through it. And then there are some of you that I just want to make 200 or 300 bucks every day or $100. I'll be happy with 50, 100 bucks. And if I can make that. Now here's what with those day traders. Once you are in here and you're learning the game, all right, because this is a game of chess when you're trading stocks in here. And when I play to win. I play to win. I don't play to lose. Nobody's gonna checkmate me. All right. I play to win every single day. I come in, I attack the market. How much am I gonna make? What am I gonna hit my goal? Am I gonna do this? How quickly can I hit my goal? Every day when I wake up, my attitude is how quickly can I hit my goal? That's it. That's what I think. I don't think, oh, I'm gonna lose today. I'm gonna take a really crappy trade. I'm gonna suck today. I don't I get up and I'm like, I'm going to put this list together. I'm going to get everyone jazzed. I got a dozen people new in the room. We're going to just show them what it's about, and we're going to make money. And I'm going to do it live in front of everyone. Exits, entries, why? Boom, boom, boom. I'm done. There we go. So, and then I can spend the rest of the day, because in my world, as soon as I get done, I think to myself, okay, now I got to help that trader that's just wants to make their 50, 100, 200, 300. Now you get a trader that's got 5 grand, 10 grand, 3 grand, and you're like, man, I really want to day trade. I want to do what he's doing. I want to build my account. I want to take it up there and just, I just want to get a feel like I just want to get excited. But what can I do? What can I do? I only got 2 grand. I only got 4 grand. I only got a credit card. You could go to your credit card and take $1,000 out of it. I got $1,000 now. What can I do with it? All right. So there are offshore accounts. Everyone knows that. That's in day trading. There's offshore accounts. There's quite a few of them. Now, everyone has their opinion. Well, this one sucks, and this one does this, and this one. Okay, you need to stop with this attitude. This one has so many rules. This one does it. Stop with your attitude. You only have $3 or $4 or $5,000, maybe 10, right? If there is a platform that will allow you to day trade in and out without the rules, then accept the rules of the platform. It's as simple as that. Stop your whining, stop your crying, stop your complaining, all right? You want to day trade in and out and take a trade, then you follow the rules of the platform. That's it. You may not like the rules. You may say they're stupid. What are rules? You can't trade in pre-market. Okay, how does that affect you? Well, think about it. If you take a stock, if I take a stock overnight on OSTK at 73 a share, and I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and it's sitting at 78, guess what? I'm selling right here. I'm selling at 78, 76.42. I'm out of the trade. I took 300 shares. I overnighted. I woke up. I'm up 600 for the day. I'm done. I can trade pre-market, right? Versus the market opens and the stock's, pretty much down there at 72. Now I'm at a loss, all right? And then you have to wait for the open to push it. But then you might get shaken out because now you're down a point and a half or two. You know what I mean? And then you have to wait and pray, kind of, that it's going to make a move to the upside. When you are, I can do that because I'm with TD and I have fit all the, I can trade pre-market. But a lot of you can't. So what do you do? Well, if you can't trade pre-market and you're overnighting something, I'm very skeptical about you doing that, all right? Because you might get that gap up and all of a sudden, for out of a reason, the market starts to dump and sell off. You end up taking a loss. So you always have to check with your platform. Can I overnight? Can I trade pre-market? Some platforms don't even allow you to trade overnight for that sole reason because you're going to lose in the morning possibly if the market pulls, right? So what platforms are out there? Well, there's quite a few of them, and you can do your own research. I can't believe I get DMs when I'm doing this. It's like, okay. Anyway, so let me see. Let me get my train of thought back. So what is out there? Well, there's quite a few of them. There's Venom trading platform. There's Trade Zero. There's Weed Bowl. Everyone knows there's Robinhood with full of restrictions. There's TradeNet, but you can't. You have to be outside the U.S. to get TradeNet. I think Canada you can get it. And then there's one that I always refer to as F1. All right. Now, I'm not. I don't make any money on this. I mean, this is a platform. You have to have an account with Coinbase. You open an account with Coinbase. You transfer your money into Coinbase. Then you can transfer your money to F1. And that's how they take their money. F1 uses DOS Trader, which is a great platform to use. I love DOS Trader. Speed Trader, Lightspeed, Cobra, they all use DOS Trade. Now, here we go. Now you have $1,000. Now you have $2,000. Now you have $6,000. Now you have $4,000. Now you have whatever, 10 grand in your account. Guess what? Okay, low commissions, 6-to-1 buying power. What does that mean? That means that if you have 1,000, you have now 6,000 to work with. If you have 2,000, you have 12,000. If you have 4,000, you have 24,000. If you have 5, you have 30. It's as simple as that. Now you can trade stocks. No pattern day trading. There's no rules. None. In and out, 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 in and out. Guess what? Extended hours. Wow. I can trade pre-market and before market. Yes, you can. Wow. Right? Get to trade the popular stocks. Now, Does F1 have rules? Yes, of course they do. Okay? Just look, investigate. If you're comfortable with their rules and you understand their rules, then it's just a matter of okay, I understand your rules. I accept your rules. It is what it is. Fine. Okay, I'm going to wire you 3,000. You'll give me 18,000 to work with, and I can go day trade with AJ Trader. There you go. Now you can go to work. You can do all the things you need to do, but now you can start building your account. Now we want to come into, now you want to start trying to see if you can make $200, $300, $400, a day, $50 a day, $200 a day. Remember, if you average it out, $200 a day, 5 days a week is what? $1,200. 1,200 times 4, give or take, is roughly what? About $4,800, just under 5 grand, right? If you do 250, 250 times 12 is 1,250. 1,250 times 4 is what is it? 1,250. That's 5,000. So you make 5,000 just with making 250 a day. All right. Now you've got to go. Okay. So now you're all set up. Took you a week. All right. So either you're with the TDs and the Schwabs and the IBs and the center points. You got all your 25, 35, 45, 50,000, 100,000, 200 in the bank, and you're ready to go. Or you go to F1 or these other things, and you have your 5, 10,000 or less, and you can trade. Okay. Now you gotta. What are the tools now? What do you need? You want to do it. So now you got to look for. Okay. Before you go into the greatest trading chat room in the world, which is Awesomecalls Trading, you should have a couple tools in your belt. All right. What are tools? What are tools? What's going to make you successful? What are tools? Hold on, let me get rid of this. Get out of there. Okay. What are tools? All right. Well, think about it. You need this. Most important, you need a way to trade. You need a way to trade. So, what I would suggest, let's say you have 3 or 4 grand. I would take $1,000, and I know you don't want to hear that, but I would. I would go get maybe a used computer on Amazon for $200, a couple of used monitors, something that you can get going where you have 2 or 3 screens to work with. Maybe a used iPad. All right, invest a little bit of that money in tools. These are tools, right? Something that will allow you to in and out of a trade, something that you can see visually, something that you can, don't come in here with a phone and go, okay, I need you to make me money. Dude, I want to make you money, but you kind of need to hear me. You have to have a place to execute. You better be really, really versatile if you're just going to sit there and use your phone. Okay? But don't come in Awesome Calls Trading. Hey, can you text me the alert? Okay, out. Next, click. Next. You're done. Okay? Just get out. We don't text alerts in the greatest chat room in the world. We're trading live. We're professional day traders. Could you imagine me asking Dark Side, one of the great traders in the world, hey, can you text me the entry and exit on shop? Just hit the ignore button. Okay? We don't do that. Okay? When you're in this room, you are here for one purpose only, to make money and to learn. Learn how to make money every day by reading through the news, understanding the market, how the market. I'm telling you, the market's going to sell for the next couple of days. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I'm right. I said this 3 days ago. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if the market just starts to sell off and we start getting NVIDIA and shop at low of the days and Tesla taking off. Let's see if I'm right. Right? Watch the Dow turn red. Let's see if I'm right. Right? I said this 3 days ago. The minute he starts speaking, first reaction is pop. Next reaction is slow fade. 2 days of selling off. Voila. But let's just see if I'm right. Right? But you need the tools. You got to have tools. Tools are screens. Tools are an iPad you can use. Don't worry about spending all this things, earn your money and then upgrade your stuff. But get the necessities. You can get a monitor for $50. You can go to Fry's Electronics or Best Buy and go in the corner and say, "What's your used stuff?" You know, hey, I got a couple monitors here that a little damaged in the boxes, and but the screens work fine. Okay, how much is it? How much is it? We can give it to you for $30. I'll take them. I just need a screen share. And what's that computer there? It's a $140 Levetto. I'll take it as long as I can get a platform going. Who cares? You know, don't dump all of your money into the platform. Take a little bit out and invest a little bit in you. All right. Have the tools. You need screens. You need a computer. You know, if you have a laptop, it's even better. You could do a mouse. You don't need the keyboard. Plug in two monitors behind it. Then you have the laptop. Now you got three screens to look at. You're all set. You're ready. One is for the room. One is for the charts. One is for you. Okay. What's the other thing you invest in? Scan services. You have to invest in scans. What is a scan service and what is a good one? A scan service is a system that allows you to see, what's going on in the market. Okay, you can't come in if you want to be a good trader. Okay, I'm not talking a great trader. You're not there yet. But if you want to be a halfway decent trader that wants to learn, you need scans. Now, there's a lot of scans. People use Benzanga. Some people use equity feeds. Some people use briefing. Some people use tradesware. Some people use what's that one that just tells you trade ideas. Everyone's got a little thing. For me, I am a news guy. I'm all about why is the stock moving. I don't need trade ideas to tell me gapping up in the morning. I would never in my hundreds of years ever use trade ideas. It doesn't work for me. For a lot of you, it does. Okay, what good is it telling me that Mayo's up $3? Okay, and I look at you. Wow, Mayo's up $3 because Trade Ideas shows it. Right? Why is it up? I don't know. Okay, you did me absolutely no good. Okay, I can find if a stock is gapping up either by the tickers in the morning on CNBC or my own scans. Okay, I want to know why is it up, not that it's up. All right, scans give you that. I particularly like news watch or newswear. All right, it's one of I use it now. I don't use like now when news watch newswear they'll give you there's like 12, 14 news services on here. Okay, Dow Jones, SI, Street Insider, FO, SI, MO, ML, EZ. I mean, there's so many, right? So when the news comes out, it depends on what wire service sends it out. There could be three of them, six of them, eight of them. If it's Amazon, there's a dozen of them. They all carry on the same wire, right? So everyone's got their different way of getting the news quicker or faster. I like Newswatch Newsware for one thing only, besides the great Bill Olson who runs it. He's an amazing person. Been with him, 8, 9 years. I can give you his phone number. He's a great guy, great service. He'll make this. He calls this the AJ Trader 7 setup, right? He'll modify it the way you like it. But what I love more than anything is this click button right here. In this service, I get Bill calls me every couple of weeks. I love the guy. He's an awesome person. Matter of fact, I will give you the phone number for Bill Olson right now. I won't even mess around. Tell him AJ sent you. His phone number in New York is 212-612-2262, extension 250. Have him say, can you set this up? Can you just give me like 20 days free, 15? I know saying the word free, but I want you to just see what it's like to have a nice scan service at your feet. Then you can decide if that's the way to go, right? Then all you do for me, what do I love it for? This button right here, this click. All right, you can listen to the recording later, Mr. Wynn. Okay, look at this right here. Click this button. Fly on the wall. See this? Boom. Fly on the wall. This to me is critical beyond words. If you want to be, this will make the difference between being an average trader, good trader, to becoming a great trader. Having a scan service that you could use. What does fly in the wall do? Fly in the wall, as everyone knows, there's over 4,400 different analysts out there. In my world, after 16 years of day trading, all that matters is 10. Okay? 10. And then there's the top 5. Those are the people that matter to me. Those are the people that can move stocks. However, I can still look at least 100 different analysts that come out. As a matter of fact, congratulations to my son, who's graduating UCLA, and he just got hired as an analyst for the next 2 years at Credit Suisse. So, congratulations. Now he'll be an analyst. But right now, I have all these analysts that come out from different companies. And so I will peruse them. I will, spend 20 minutes in the morning when I'm up early and just kind of see who's upgraded what. Usually my following on that I follow on Twitter usually kind of gives me the heads up on the main ones. But I will catch some good ones in here and go, okay, I like this, I like that. And when you buy my one-on-one strategy, or if you're an annual, you'll get that as part of the package. You will know specifically what I look for and how I look for and what I trade, and what people I look for. All right, and it's really really important. All right, but this really cuts a lot of my information down. Like, I mean, I could just look at it and say, oh, look at that. Oh, this is going on. Oh, I like this. Oh, look at this. I mean, Adobe up 560 from 425. Oh, I like that. What else? What else did I got? Goldman Sachs. Here we go. Neutral call. I don't care. Neutral to sell. We'll look at it. Da, 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 da. Goldman Sachs FedEx rates at 297. I like that. Okay. You see all that? All right. I love. And no difference between the direct fly in the wall and the way Bill set this up for me. Everything is formatted a different way. I can just, they're categorized under starting A, B, C, and D. And then they just put on the side and I can read. The format is very important to me. I can read everything. Okay. I can read everything. Oh, B of A. I could just scroll down. I don't have to go through all this crap up here. I could just scroll down and just simply go, oh, B of A, boom, B of A. Okay, what do we got? And I could just look at what I want to see. Scroll down, Goldman Sachs. I don't need to see what, who is this company here? CIBC. I don't even know who they are. I don't care about Colliers. I don't care about Compass Point. What do they sell? Real estate? I don't even know what to do. Cohen, they sweep my toilet on the weekend. D.A. Davison, are you kidding me? They put the towels in my bathroom. Come on. Deutsche Bank? Yeah, I'm going to use a couple high schoolers out of high school. I don't think so. Credit Suisse? Okay, I can't say anything about them. And Goldman, oh, here Goldman saw that. You see my point? I just go down, boom. Guggenheim, I don't even look at them. I laugh at them. Okay? So now I've got that all set up. Now, what's the other services I like to use? Well, I love to use this service called Briefing. Can't stress it enough. This is my tool of choice. Okay? I love Briefing. Briefing in Play Plus. Okay? This is my source. I cannot, let me tell you something. I can't breathe without this service. Okay? I can breathe maybe without Newswatch and Newsware, but I can't breathe without Briefing. Briefing needs to be next to me for the rest of my life as a trader. If they go away, they better have somebody who's going to have the same format, same system. I'm a lifer, like lifer, and I pay just like everyone else. First 15 to 30 days are free. Tell them AJ sent you. Tell them AJ at Awesome Calls. You want a tool? This is your tool. You want to become between good and great? This is your tool. Okay? This is everything to me. All right? Briefing in Play Plus. They show you everything from IPOs to earnings. The one I love the most is when I wake up and I can do, there's two things I do. I look at the ScanX, I punch it up, and I could scroll down at 4 o'clock in the morning and just see what's moving right here. See that? 4 o'clock in the morning. I could see all the gaps. Spotify, FedEx, Telesa, AMXE, NIA's down, Adobe's up, FedEx is up. Okay, I'm writing my stuff. I got this. UPS is up. I could trade that. Spotify up. I can trade that. Google. It's okay. It's too expensive. Da, da, da. Okay. Now I know that I got all these stocks that are gapping up on top of what I'm seeing on CNBC, on top of my Twitter feed. But now, again, I need to know why they're up. So then I flip over, and every morning I do this. I punch up summary, SUMRX. And now, look what I get. Now at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, I can see why everything is up. FedEx is up because of earnings. BRC is up because of earnings. ADBE is up because of earnings. All right. AMCX is up because the ex-chairman departed. See that? ARWR announced interim 24 liver biopsy results for 4 subjects. Okay, it's up. You see that? I'm picking up the news. I'm picking up. Now I know the why. So when I'm trading a stock like that, I can go, okay, if it hits here, this stock will run over here because I know from my experience this will do this. I'm looking at NNOX, continued weakness following yesterday's sit-on report. Okay, I kept an eye on that because I felt, you know what? So when you come down and scroll down, you can also see the negatives. You can see the offerings being done for that morning. Look at Shop. Price $1,000,001 at 900. Boom, stock will hit 900. Great. I'll pop it and then sell it off to 900. I got it. That's a trade. All right, let's take a look at Shop. Why? Because they're telling you the price is going to hit 900. Right? Shop price is 1.1 million, 900. So if the stock is sitting at 930, 940, short the stock. Take it to 900. Bottom curl, go long. Right? So you take Shop, come over here, hit Shop. There's the short. Boom. Where's the stock? 900. Look at the base. 900. You just made your own trade because you had the information, right? And what's the other one? So I look at NNOX this morning, right? And I want to play NNOX because why? Because NNOX took a dive from the Citron report yesterday, right? So if you look, see the dive? Just got smashed yesterday. Well, I think this will come up a little bit. But this morning, it's still, there was nothing going on it. So I really couldn't get a read on it. And then I waited a few more, another 10, 15 more minutes, and voila. You go over here, I hit NNOX, and I went, what's going on now? And I see, ooh, at 7:02, 4:02 in the morning, right? Citron, Nanox starts to come out, starts to say, you know what? We're going to go ahead and we're going to address all the issues that Citron has. Okay. We feel his information is misleading, which is what I was looking for, but we're not going to panic. We're going to come out and we're going to make a statement. So just chill. Okay. Then I can see that yesterday after hours, I can see a couple analysts defending the stock and saying this is just crap. And Bernbeg and Cantor and I think it was Oppenheimer all defending the stock. Okay, so between that and Nanex finally and NNOX came out with a statement. I can trade that. Yeah, I'm gonna trade that. I'm gonna trade that. I'm gonna trade that. I'm so excited. I'm gonna trade that. I'm gonna trade that. So all I can think about is, oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna make so much money today. So now all I have to do, now that I know why it's going to make a move and it's going to move up, see all the information. I'm so excited. Look at my voice. I am going to make so much money today. All right. So then I come in, I do my notes, and I start putting the deal together. We're going to get paid, traders. We're going to get paid. Okay, AJ, how are you going to play it? You know what? Stock closed at 38. It's sitting down at 36.50, 37. I'll tell you what. When this thing hits 38, long it. Just go, baby, go, baby, go, baby. Put in as many shares as you want. And then let it push, let it squeeze out to 42 or more, and then you can short the stock. All right, but for me, I'm not going to short it. I want to long this baby. I want to go in with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 shares. I want to go quick money in. I know I'm going to make what 38, 39, 4 points on it. I can get two at 2,200 shares or 2,000 shares. I can make 4 grand. Let's see, even if I get a point and a half, I make 3 grand today. Woo! I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so because why? Because all the information told me what to do because of my scans. Now I take the trade. I'm so excited. Here we go. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Market's opening. 38 right there. 44. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. I'm just sitting there taking a bow. Right? How did I know to play that? How did I know what direction? Well, yeah. Am I seasoned for 16 years? Absolutely. Do I know what the stock's going to do before it does it? Absolutely. That's what you pay me for. So I can teach you. But how did I know that stock was going to make a move to the upside? How did I know? Right? Because the information that was given to me, all I needed was to know that NetX was going to defend itself. Then I needed a few analysts to back it up, which I had all the information on my scans, and that helped me develop the trade right in front of all of you. So all I had to do was poke in there, 1,500 shares, let it rip 1 or 2 points, and you're done for the day. If you had, let's just say you had $3,000 and you were in F1 and you had 18,000 buying power. So you take 300 shares, all right? 300 shares at 38. What that cost you? Only 9 grand in buying power. And it ripped 1.5 points. Do you realize you made $450 on your account today? You see that? You see how simple that was? There's no excuse. And even if you screwed up on the entry, even if you screwed up on the entry and it pulled a little bit and you go, AJ, I'm down $200, help me. I got you. Look for the breakout flag right here. Go ahead. Hey, John, take 300 shares again. Rip it 2. Rip it 1. Okay, AJ, I'm going to go for it. Rip. You got your money back? Yes, I did, AJ. Okay, get out. Now you're even, right? Now I'm going to find you another one. I got you. I got you. Stock's got momentum. When it hits 42, I want you to long it again. This time do 400 shares with 12,000. I got you, AJ. I got to do it. Boom. Rip. 50 cents, 60 cents, a dollar. Boom, you're out. What'd you make? AJ, I made $420. I made 420. Hey, don't cry. Don't cry, man. We're going to do it again tomorrow. Okay? I just want you to feel what it's like to win because you're a winner. I got you. All right? I'm going to find you another trade. Just chill. AJ, can I long here at 44? No. Double top. See that double top? That's a defined double top. When you see that, that is the market maker going, we are done with the trade. Finished. You're done. Get out. So what does it tell a short seller? Take it down, baby. AJ, can I go ahead and short it now? I'm up 400. No, you cannot. I have a rule. You hit your goal, you get out. You flip the paper, or you take your platform off and you just listen for the rest of the day if you want to stay in front of screens. You need to feel what it's like to be a winner. I don't care how small the amount. A win is a win regardless of the amount. You need to respect money. And when you make it, you respect it. Because if you can't respect it, this is not the room for you. Because you'll just piss it away and piss it away. And next thing you know, you'll be just working at Kmart selling shoes. Is that what you want? Take that $400 win from from being in the greatest chat room on the planet. And let's think about, let's do it again, AJ. Not today, but give me something tomorrow, baby. Fine. What if you make 200 tomorrow? And what if you lose the next day on Wednesday, you lose 100? So what? I'll get you your 100 back. I got you. I'm not walking away. You know, everyone saw I lost a couple grand yesterday for just being stupid. My timing was off. I mean, my clock was so off yesterday. I don't know where I was. I was on Mars, probably on that new Venus. I was the alien over there. I sucked yesterday, right? But I didn't lose 600 grand, 500 grand, all right? Just lost a couple grand. What did I do today? Man, I couldn't, when I saw NetX, but my stock of the day, my trade of the day was Kodak, baby. All right, Kodak is the most predictable play in the world. Pops on news, hits below 6, pops. Watch again. You will see. Stock will fade off to 6 and under, and all of a sudden, some freaking news will come out 2 days later, and you're staring at 9 or 10 again. And then you sell it off. But one day, you're going to wake up, and that sucker's sitting at 25, and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I just can retire right now because that dude just gave me the best trade in the world. Right? But for me, I saw Kodak. I saw the news. I didn't like the news. I thought it was actually stupid. But I know I know what newbies do. I know what Robinhood traders do. I know what the chat room pumpers are doing. All right, I know. Right, and everyone's going to play it at the open long, even though they don't even know what they're doing. They're just following some dude. Well, this guy said to long it. I don't know why. And here's the Robinhooder up here at 11:30 going, how come it came down? But in AJ's world, size in with the group, with the crowd. Anything above 10, and this baby is yours. Now, it's not going to go to 12, 13, 14, or 15, or 20. No, it's not. It's going to pop a buck and a half, and you're done. How do I know that? Because I'm AJ Trader 7, greatest trader in the world. That's all I can tell you. 16 years understanding this stock like there's no tomorrow. But I want you to make money with me. I want you to make money with me. So all I want to do at this point is I want to nail it at 10 on a market order, not a limit order. I want this thing to prove to me we can break out. Once I hit 10, baby, it is on. And look how many shares were at the open. 5.9 million shares were traded on the opening candle. What does that tell you? That told you that, oh, I'm sorry, is the Dow turning red? Oh, I'm sorry. Wasn't the Dow up 360 about 25 minutes ago? Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't I tell you the Fed was going to start to take the market down? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Somebody said that, you know? Did I tell you not to long the stocks? I don't know what's going on. Jeez, I wish I could be in a room like that where a guy can tell you what the Fed's going to do before he even speaks. All right. So anyway, so I want this 10, but I don't just want it. I want all of you to want it. And I want you to bet the horse on it because I'm going to take this thing for a point and a half right. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you what to do. Kodak, do not long. But if this hits 10, it's going to go to 11.50 and then it's done. So you better be ready if you want to trade this with me. If you're not ready, and you're not ready for that, then don't trade it. Just watch it. But if you're ready, watch that 10, watch that 10, watch that 10. Have your finger on the trigger. Are you ready? I'm ready, AJ. Let's do it together. Right? Ding, 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 ding. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. 980, 970. Traders, Kodak moving. Boom, I execute. Boom, I set it up there. Boom, I start to put everything together. I go limit, I do a market order, 3,000 shares. Rip! I got filled at 1038, takes it all the way to 1070. Halt! I'm going, traders, I'm in an upside halt, baby. I got 3,000 shares. I'm up at 1,100. When it unhalts, I got my finger on the trigger and I'm going to sell it on the pop. And then what happens? Pops. Opens up right there at 11:02. It's moving back and forth. I sell market order. I'm out. Boom. How much did I make? How much did I make, traders? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Well, I don't know. What did I do? How about Kodak? Second one down. How about $1,824.85? Welcome to day trading. And that is today's webinar for YouTube. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, invest in yourself. Have the tools. Be ready. Because every day I'm coming at you. Every day I'm going to make you an awesome trader. Every day I'm going to teach you. You're never going to walk away, not one day, without learning something. You will be better tomorrow than you were yesterday. I promise you that. But you got to give me time to soak all this energy in you, because a lot of you lack that energy. A lot of you lack that enthusiasm. You know, a lot of you just you need AJ in you. You got to have that blood flowing. Okay, I'm gonna teach you. Okay, all right, man. So let me finish the recording.